Okay, so yesterday, oops, I turned it on too early. Anyway, yesterday Peewee took a hard hit into Jane's drone and sliced off the tail fin. So I taped it up. I glued it first, and I taped it for extra security. So now I'm going to test it. The whole fin got sliced off in half. So, I don't know. Let's see if it still flies. I'm sure it will. Ready? Yay! Don't go too high, Peewee. Stay low. Good boy. So I guess I taped it up good. Hooray! He's flying again. I thought he was finished. Uh-oh. Don't go too high, Peewee. Stay low. Low. Whoa! I almost hit you. Be careful, this is an air park. For airplanes. Heavy ones. Damn dog people all day long. Stupids. Retards. Show off. I think your battery is dying, so you better go out and come in for a landing. Alright, make it a slow, smooth, easy landing away from dog shit. Try it again. Nice landing. Bravo, Peewee. So his tail fin is holding up, thank God. I had to tape it because it got snapped off yesterday, sliced off actually, from Jane's drone.